78 million free traffic source. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. You guys asked me to show you how to make passive income with affiliate marketing as a beginner without investing any money. Well, you are a beginner and that is why you probably don't have money to invest. So today I'm going to show you how to do that, and this method is available worldwide and you can use it not just for affiliate marketing, you can use it to promote your blog, your website, to build your mailing list, and so on and so on. But before we begin, I have an announcement. I created a Facebook group. Well, Facebook is free. I will leave you a link in the description so you can join that group and you may learn some new ways of making money online, and you can also exchange your opinion and your experience with other members as well. Like I said, I will leave you a link in the description. So let me just jump on my computer and we are going to start.
Okay, first thing you need to do, you need to choose your niche. You need to know what kind of products you wish to promote. And then you need to research that niche. You need to go on Google Trends, you need to research keywords, you need to research your competition, and so on and so on. And you will need to see, are there any good products in that niche on Clickbank, on Digistore24, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, or some other affiliate network. But for this example, I'm going to use Clickbank. And because we are talking about making money online and affiliate marketing, I'm going to scroll here and I'm going to click here on e-business and e-marketing. And I will sort this by gravity, click here on gravity, and I'm going to scroll here and I will click here on must have affiliate tools page. And what you need to do, you need to go through the sales pages of these products, you need to go through their affiliate tools pages, you need to go on Google and read some reviews, go and research some keywords, research Google Trends, and so on and so on. And based on that, you will decide which of these products you actually wish to promote. And let's say I wish to promote this product here, Scribble 2021. I'm already using this product and I know this is a good product. And I can make $35 per sale and gravity is 111. So like I said, I'm using this product and I know this is a good product. I will leave you a link in the description so you can check it out. Many of these products will give you a list of keywords, and I would strongly recommend to research these keywords, and later in this video you will see why keyword research is important. So like I said, please do keyword research because it is important for this method. Now when we have our product, next step is we need to go on a website called IDPLR. Here you can download free PLR ebooks. So what you need to do, you need to hover over free products and then click here on free ebooks. And because we are talking about making money and affiliate marketing, here in search bar I will type make money and click search. And I will scroll here and let's say I wish to use this ebook here, make first 100 on web. I will click on it. Now this is really important, and this is why I like IDPLR. When you scroll here, you can see what you can do and what you cannot do with this ebook. And this is what is really important for us. Main product can be modified. This is really important for us. And like I said, here you can see full list what you can do with this ebook and what you cannot do with this ebook. And to download this ebook, just click here on download and you will download this ebook on your desktop. After you download this ebook, next step you need to do, you need to go on website called PDF Escape. And here we are going to edit our ebook. And when we go back on IDPLR, here you can see that main product can be modified, which means we can modify this product, we can modify this ebook. So go back on PDF Escape, click here on free online. And I'm going to upload this ebook. Click here on upload, click on browse, find the ebook that you downloaded from IDPLR. Let me just scroll to find that ebook. This is the ebook, click open, give it a few seconds to upload. And what you need to do, you need to add call to action to this ebook. And I usually add that on the bottom of the page. So what you need to do, you need to click here on text, and I'm going to, let's say, add text here. And I'm going to say something like this: make first 100 on the web. So I will highlight this and I will make it bold and I will enlarge this. Let's say 20. Okay, that is too small. I will make it bigger. Let's say 30, for example. 30. Okay. So now we need to add our Clickbank affiliate link, Digistore24 affiliate link, JVZoo affiliate link, Warrior Plus affiliate link, or link to your website or blog or whatever you want. To do that, click here on link and then click here, for example, and here you can paste your affiliate link. Click OK and that's it. You will add your affiliate link. And what you need to do, you need to add this call to action on every fourth or fifth page. Now you can do this on every page, but in that case, you are going to bother people who downloaded this ebook, and that is why I recommend to add call to action on every fourth or fifth page. Now this is one way to do this, and this ebook is not ours, and there are rules that we need to follow, as you can see here when you go back on IDPLR, and we must follow these rules. Now even better way is to actually use Scribble to create your own ebooks. With Scribble you can create ebooks in just 5 minutes, even if you're absolute beginner. And that ebook will be 100% yours. You will have all the rights on that ebook, and you can literally do whatever you want with that ebook. You can use it to build your mailing list. You can give it away for free. You can sell it. You can do whatever you want with that ebook, and you can add as much links as you want, and you can add any kind of links in that ebook, because like I said, that ebook is yours, only yours, and that is why you can do whatever you want, and that is why I recommend to use Scribble. But IDPLR is free, and that is why we are using IDPLR in this example. So go back on PDF Escape. When you are satisfied, when you add all the affiliate links that you wanted, all you have to do is just click here on Save and Download, and you will download this ebook on your desktop. So now we need to promote this ebook that contains our affiliate link. But let me first show you potential of the website that we are going to use for that. As you can see, this website is ranking 631 in the world. There is literally billions of websites in the world, and this website is on 631 position. And when you scroll here, you will see that this website got 78 million visits last month, and they are getting between 75 and 90 million visits every month. And when you scroll here, you will see that most of their traffic is actually search traffic, and that means most of their visitors are coming from Google, and that is the best kind of traffic. And the website that we are going to use is called Scribd. On Scribd you can upload your ebooks, your PDF documents, your Word documents, and so on, and you can share it with other people. And you will need to register. Registration is free. After you register, you will come to this page, and you will need to click here on Upload. Click here, select Document to upload. Find the ebook that you edited and downloaded from PDF Escape. Let me just find it. Let's say this one here. Click on it. Confirm you are not robot. Click here. In the beginning of this video, I told you that keyword research is important. As you can see here, you need to add title and you need to add description. And that title and description should contain your main keyword. In that way, you will optimize your ebook not just for Scribd, you will optimize it for Google as well. And if you did a good keyword research, your Scribd ebook will rank high on Google, and Google will drive free traffic to that ebook, not just Scribd. So you will be getting traffic from Scribd and from Google. And as we saw on SimilarWeb, 78% of their traffic is coming from search engines. So in this, you will double traffic to your ebook, to your Scribd ebook. And after you finish, just click here on Done, and you will upload this ebook on Scribd. And what you can also do is you can promote this ebook on related Facebook groups, on Twitter, on Pinterest, on Instagram, on related forums, on related blogs, and so on and so on. And in that way, you will drive even more free traffic to this ebook, and even more people will download this ebook, and even more people will click on your affiliate link and potentially buy that product, your affiliate product that you are promoting. So this is how you do affiliate marketing as a beginner and drive free traffic to your affiliate offers.
That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.